The landing check thread has a forever loop that sends the stop message for as long as the spaceship is touching the landing pad. We need to change the landing check thread to only send the stop message one time when it first touches the landing pad. To do this, we'll create a trigger variable. So create a new variable called IsStopSent. Then add a new step to the initialization thread to set the IsStopSent variable to a value of no when the game is started. Now click the landing pad sprite and add these code parts to the landing pad code workspace. Modify the landing check thread using the code parts shown to do the following. Check if the landing pad is touching the spaceship, and if so, then check if IsStopSent equals no, and if so, then broadcast the stop message and set IsStopSent equal to yes. The modified landing check thread will only send the stop message once when the landing pad is first touched. Pause the video now to try it yourself or let it play to see the solution. The landing check thread is done. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.